If you understand English but you cannot speak English, so this video only for you. And English is not typical. Typical is your method, and let me show you the solution today how to speak English fluently without hesitation. So first you need to change your mindset. Yes, you heard right. If you have to definitely learn this language, you have to change your mindset. Yes, and start with small sentences, short sentences. Yes, you have to start small sentences and short sentences like I I want to speak English. Yes, and I am improving English, and I am not weak in English. Like this, you can speak. You can speak so many words and sentences and practice these type of words every day. What will happen? You have a basic idea how to make a sentence and how to speak in front of camera and mirror also. Yes. Second thing, you do people are beginners are always confused. My English is not good. I do not have much vocabulary. I am weak in this subject. Don't worry, everyone facing this type of problem, but you should start. You should start your journey English speaking. Second thing, you people are saying, a lot of people are recommended you have to watch podcast, movie. Yes, it's saying right, but you have to choose according to you. If you maintain a beginner level, so you have to go through kids video, and kids video with subtitle you have to watch, and shadowing practice with the video. Pause this video and then speak, and again pause this video, then speak what you saying in this video. Yes, what will happen, your pronunciation and your vocabulary and your way of speaking, way of talking, way of representing, everything will be good because of doing activity. Because you can see example of this, because I am also doing this activity